Good afternoon, all of you. So, I am Ritika Zuzgar, Assistant Professor, IT Department, and soft computing technique is fuzzy logic and computing. Okay, so here in today's lecture, we discuss about what is fuzzy logic, fuzzy logic and computing. So, what is a fuzzy logic? So here the beginning of this fuzzy logic is the important component for the soft computing. Okay, so today we learn about the basic concept of fuzzy logic and understand the fuzzy system, and we should familiar ourselves with the different technologies in fuzzy logic. So here we will explain the different terminologies related to the fuzzy logic. So first is the what is fuzzy logic. So the fuzzy logic is a language, we can say more precisely, is a mathematical language to express something, or mathematical language like any language you know. So this language is also used to express something which is meaningful to the other. So it is a language. This means that it has a grammar, it has its own syntax, the meaning like a language for communication purpose. So the fuzzy logic, there are many mathematical languages we know. So one language is called as a relational algebra. It is also called as a relational algebra means what? Operations on set. The second one is a Boolean variables. It is also called as a predict logic or predicate algebra. Operations on Boolean variables. The next is a predicate algebra. The operations on well-formed formulas, also called as a predicate proposition. So here the fuzzy logic like relation logic, Boolean logic and predicate logic, it also deals with the fuzzy set or a fuzzy algebra. So this relation algebra, Boolean algebra, predicate algebras, some deals with some elements of which these elements is called as a fuzzy set. Okay, and these elements in the fuzzy logic depends is called as a which is also called as a fuzzy algebra. Okay, so all these algebras are deals with the fuzzy set. So this fuzzy set is called as the elements or a fuzzy algebra. So here the relation algebra, Boolean algebra and predicate algebra कंबाइन करने के बाद जो क्रिएट होता है वो होता है हमारा फजी लॉजिक. So the basically the mixture of the different mathematical languages कौन से relational algebra, Boolean algebra और predicate algebra, इसको combine करके हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Fuzzy logic. Okay. The next is what is a fuzzy? So the word fuzzy may not new. Okay, so you know what is mean by fuzzy? Okay, fuzzy का meaning क्या हो सकता है? What is fuzzy? Okay, करेक्ट. सो जो भी हमारे पास एक इमेज हो सकती है या फिर कोई भी डेटा हो सकता है उसको हम क्लियरली नहीं बता सकते कि एग्जैक्टली इसकी वैल्यू क्या है या फिर इस इमेज के अंदर एग्जैक्टली क्या दिया है. ओके, हम प्रेडिकेट नहीं कर सकते या फिर कोई भी इमेज के अंदर कोई नॉइसी डेटा होगा सो जो कि क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है, सो दिस इज अ फजी इमेज. अगर कोई भी इमेज के कंटेंट हमें क्लियर नहीं दिख रहे सो वो इमेज क्या होगी? हमारी फजी इमेज होगी. ओके, जो कि क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है. कोई भी वर्ड होगा जो क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है, कोई भी वैल्यू होगी वो हमें क्लियर शो नहीं हो रही है, सो दिस मीन्स फजी. So the concept of fuzzy logic was conceived by the Lotfi Zedea, a professor at the University of California at Berkeley, and organized the method for dealing with uh, imprecise data is called as a fuzzy logic. So data are considered as a fuzzy state. So fuzzy means what? Not clear, or it is also called as a noisy data or noisy sets. सो एग्जाम्पल इज जैसे मैंने बताया था इमेज, अगर हमारे पास कोई इमेज है उसके अंदर कुछ कंटेंट है वो क्लियर नहीं शो हो रहा है, सो दिस इमेज इज कॉल्ड एज अ फजी इमेज. ओके, so if you are having some picture or image, okay, so that means some word is not clear. Okay, whatever wording in this particular image is not clear. Okay, so we may say that it is not clear, or there are some noisy content in that image. So this image is called as a fuzzy image or a noisy image, or image is a fuzzy. So in other words, we can understand the meaning of fuzzy is if we see uh, so okay, ओके, कोई भी वर्ड हो सकता है हमारे पास जिसके कंटेंट हमें क्लियर नहीं शो हो रहे हैं. ओके, या फिर कोई कौन सा वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, मोजे कॉलेज. ओके, सो मोजे कॉलेज जो वर्ड है सेंटेंस है हमारे पास जो क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है एग्जैक्टली क्या है. ओके, सो जो सेंटेंस होगा वो क्या होगा? फर्जी सेंटेंस. So the term fuzzy refers to the things which are not clear or vague. In the real world, many times we encounter a situation when we can't determine whether the state is true or false, or their fuzzy logic provides a very valuable flexibility for reasoning. So in this way, we can consider So in this way, we can consider the inaccuracies and uncertainties of any situation. Okay, real world टाइप के जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है या फिर सिचुएशन हो सकती है जो कि हम इजीली प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर रहे कि ये कंडीशन ट्रू है या फॉल्स है. ओके, और कोई भी वैल्यू हमें एक्यूरेट शो नहीं हो रही है या फिर कुछ कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो रहा है, सिचुएशन समझ में नहीं आ रही है, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ फजी. थैंक यू.